Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. I'm so sorry that I sound so nasally and so gross. I actually woke up totally sick today, super yucky. Oh my goodness. So today's video is going to be a cleaning video on what I did yesterday on Sunday afternoon. I just kind of wanted a fresh start to the week, so I figured I would just film a cleaning video for you guys. This is mostly focusing on my kitchen and also my living room. I feel like those are the two rooms that really needed it, and also, those are the rooms that were in the most. So that's what today's video is. Like I said, this was filmed yesterday, and I am sitting here Sunday night editing this video. So I'm going to stop talking. I'm going to let some music play, and I will come back at the end of this video.
Baby, you let me in, then you push me out. Now I'm falling down, I'm falling down. You and your crazy love, you make me weak. Baby, I'm falling down, I'm falling down. Let's run away, just you and I, you and I. down. I'm falling down. You and your crazy love, you make me weak. Baby, I'm falling down. I'm falling down. Let's run away, just you and I. You and I. Let's run away, just you and I. You and I. You and I.
Do you remember how you held me then? Now you got me reaching out. And do you see you got me falling in more times than I can get out. Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, how long do I got to keep you, to keep you? Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, trying so hard not to keep you, to keep you. How long do I got to keep you, to keep you? Trying so hard not to keep you, to keep you. Do you remember how you held me then? Now you got me reaching out. Yeah. And do you see you got me falling in more times than I can get out. Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, how long do I got to keep you, to keep you? Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, trying so hard not to keep you, to keep you.
So here I just needed to unpack some of Evelyn's things. Evelyn actually went to my dad's for Friday night and a majority of Saturday. So that was just kind of all the stuff that we had brought. So I just wanted to, sort the laundry and put toys away and stuff like that. From here, I'm going to move on into my living room, which I just kind of gave it a good once over. And I did take all the cushions off the couches and vacuumed underneath them, vacuumed the cushions, gave the living room rug a good vacuum. I just feel like it really needed it. And then I am going to fold a basket of laundry, and that is going to wrap up this video. Thank you so much for watching. I am terribly sick. I definitely want to go to bed, but I feel so much better that my house is cleaner. It's not perfect, but I'm so happy I just kind of took my medicine and powered through and got it done. So I am sending you lots of good vibes this week, guys. I hope you have a wonderful week, and I will see you in my next video.
Time stops when I'm falling for you. The world stops spinning. My head is spinning too. Time stops when I'm falling for you. Should I stop or are you falling for me? Is your world stop spinning? Is your head spinning too? Should I stop or are you falling for me? Is your world stop spinning? Is your head spinning My heart stopped when I first saw you. My world stopped spinning. Now my world revolves around you. Did your heart stop when you first saw me? Did your world stop spinning? Does your world revolve around me? Me too. Me too. Should I stop or are you falling for me? Is your world stop spinning? Is your head spinning too? Did your heart stop when you first saw me? Did your world stop spinning? Does your world revolve around me? Me too. Me
You say you trust me. You say you just need time to figure me out. When you fix the pieces, you can slowly breathe right in and tell me where you are. I know you're scared of going deeper, underestimating my heart, breaking down whenever we touch. Oh, na, na, na. Put my hands upon your shoulder, I feel the pain that I can alter. Still I never wanna change ya. Swear I'm not trying